And you're live. Okay, this is the Martin Fowler Scrum, Friday the 16th. It happens to be my birthday. Yeah, I'm getting old.
Happy birthday!
Yeah, thank you.
Happy birthday!
Thank you, Getty. All right, so you can give our reports. Let's start with you, Nicholas.
Yeah, sure. I've been working on local support. I did some progress on the coverage for the whole project. I've been covering some models, and I think I will start with some controllers after the models. I also been doing a little cleanup on website 1 on the pull requests that we have, because some of them, they were created for people that, for example, they don't have any more GitHub account because they deleted their users. So yeah, I just commented that and closed the pull request, and I've been doing other contributions. I think one of them is one of your pull requests, Sigu. I did a fix on the way JavaScript was being implemented, and Code Climate is not complaining anymore. And I'm trying to do the upgrade to Sprocket like for the third time. So I will try to figure out if that works. And I have no blockers. I did a comment on one of the pull requests that is trying to upgrade from Mercury to Medium. And if you can take a look to the last comment that I did, it will be really helpful, please.
All right.
Yeah, that is all.
Now it is about the pull request that I opened. I actually have to look at it again because the code I had before that I worked on, when my computer crashed, everything went. So I was actually pulling it down. Then before I finished, I had to help Getty and Kevin out. We had a mob session. Yeah. So
no worries. I was just mentioning it. So when you have time.
No problem about that. Let's go over to, I think Peter was next. Yes, Peter. He prefers being called Peter. Yes, Peter.
Hi. My name is Peter. I'm just listening in today.
All right. Welcome, Peter.
Thank you.
Okay. So you can just listen in. If in case you have a question and you don't want to interfere with someone who's talking, you can type it in the chat. It's located, I think it's on your left or on your right. I'm never sure about which side. So you can type it in there. If you're on YouTube, you also have a chat on YouTube that you can ask any questions over there. Okay. Stematios was next, or was it Kevin? Let's go with Stematios first, if he's listening.
I'm here. Yep. Hey everyone.
Hey,
so on my end, I'm still working on the React Agile Ventures front end page. Actually been struggling to find time to actually get to it, but today it looks like I have some open space, so I'm going to be spending a good amount of time with it, as well as this weekend. So yeah, other than that, I'm sorry I don't have more to report, but that's all I have.
No, it is Tomato. So I'm personally planning to learn React. I still just don't have the time. So once I'm good, I have a little knowledge on React, then I'll definitely join in this.
Sure, most welcome.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Let's have Kevin. Kevin, are you sharing a microphone with anyone? Just so I know.
Oh, I'm sharing with Getty today.
Okay.
Okay, hi guys.
Hi.
So today we did some katas. Then from yesterday, I've been doing some cucumber tests and testing them on some dummy projects. Then today we also had a mob session with Sigu and Getty on a problem, or a Travis problem, and we were seeing how the problems are coming and how to solve them. Yeah.
Okay. So it was basically it was basically the RSpec tests that were being run on the Travis CI that were failing. So we had to run the test again on our local machines, figure out where they're coming from, and correcting them. It was a problem with our fixtures. So the factories never had a required attribute for it to be able to pass. So that is sorted and pushed up from that.
Yeah.
Getty?
Hi, guys.
Hi there.
Hi.
So, for the better part of the day, I was reading the freelance book that Sigu told you about, and made some progress on the volunteer ops that I was to work in. Did some migrations, and right now I'm just trying to do some validations. I haven't pushed it in work in progress yet, but I will. Yeah, so far there are no blockers apart from time. Yes.
Okay, so Nick is asking if that good book is good.
Sorry?
Yeah.
Nick is asking if the book is good.
Yeah, it's really, really good.
Cool.
The freelancer's book, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you share the link?
Okay, I can
Sorry?
share the link. with you.
Or the name of the book? I don't know.
Yeah. So let me just search it in and paste it in the chat. So meanwhile, is Lucy there? Is Lucy Misa there to give us the report? Okay, seems
She says she's
not.
just listening in today.
Okay, she's just listening in. No problem. So on my end, since morning, I joined you guys on doing the code wars. I also saw the resources shared by Nick on Python Kisumu on some of the challenges that people can go through. So many people will bang their heads when they see such complicated, in quotes, problems to solve. So it's a good start, and I think Python Kisumu should be able to do that today, which Lucy's Mise is organizing. It's supposed to happen today. I don't know. She'll be able to give us an update, maybe in writing. So we might be able to work on that, or maybe push it over to the hackathon, which we have on the. It should be next weekend, I guess. Yeah, next weekend on the 24th, we have a hackathon, so we might decide to work on that. Be just subject to discussion. What else did I do? Yeah. The mob session already discussed by Getty and Kevin. And after this, we are going to have a retrospective. Me and the team, Getty, Kevin, Peter, if he has enough internet, we will be having a retrospective meeting for just so we discuss what has been happening for the last 2 weeks and what we can improve and how we can get better at everything that we're doing here.
That's really
Yes.
nice. Are you going to do some streaming on
Yes,
that?
we're
or-
going to stream because I'm actually not on site. I'm like 300 kilometers away from them, so we have to do
Okay.
that. All right, that's my report. No blockers. Oh, I forgot. After this retrospective, I'll be going to Rails Girls Nairobi. There's a Rails Girls conference in
Nice.
a few kilometers away, so I'll be going over there to help them do some installation and setup. Then we'll be having a coaches dinner. The main event will be tomorrow, where we'll be teaching girls on how to get started with Ruby on Rails.
Nice.
Yep, that's all from me. Okay. So I'll send you guys a link to the how do you call it, to the retrospective meeting, or should we continue? No, we shouldn't continue this one. So I'll send you a link for that.
Okay.
Cheers, guys. All right.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, Nick, I'm sending you. I'm DMing you the book on Slack.
Thank you.
All
Okay.
right. Okay.